everyone, so today we are doing some Kurdish music reaction and we're gonna react to Aram Shaida. I don't know who Aram Shaida is, but you guys tell me he's very famous in Kurdistan. So let me find out who this person is. So let's go and give it a whirl and we shall see what's the tea. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Okay, this is more like a traditional Kurdish music. More like, do you know, more danceable? Oh yeah, this is more traditional because they use a lot of like like more like that type of voice. Like I love that, don't get me wrong, I love when they go like like I love that, you know, I love that. But I don't know who is him because it's a lot of people. I think it's a him. I don't know. Yeah, it's him. This is Aram, right? Koshkililia. Okay, I don't know what that means, but sounds good. Koshkililia. Okay. Bergia. Okay. Ocean Leah. Okay. 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 Hey. Okay. This is good. I feel like this is the type of songs that you will probably play in a wedding because it's very like danceable. Like I will play Haley Love, boy bye, boy bye. Like I will play Haley Love in my wedding, but I will also play this song because it's very like, you know, very traditional. I like it. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah. Whatever sound he's doing with the piano, amazing. I don't know how you get that. Can I get that sound? If I play the piano, in case you didn't know, bitch, I play the piano. Can I play that? Okay. I am so sorry. I feel like I'm offending somebody. I don't know. You see, I like that when they go like, oh, like I like that, you know. Okay. I'm going to Singapore by day. Hey, hey. Okay. Okay. I have no idea what's going on, but okay, he good. Okay. I feel like he's telling something with the song, but I don't know because I don't speak Kurdish. Okay. I like because it's very belly dancing. What the mesum babu Jane? Yes, yes. I feel like he's counting somebody like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Yes. Or you and you and you. Maka. The police is coming. I don't know. I feel like he's telling a story or something. Okay, alelele. Think about it before you do it. Okay. I like that. I don't know. It's for me. It's so like cool because like I don't know this music. It is like so new for me, you know. What is he saying? I don't know. Don't ask me. Asham, makam. Hey, you see, everybody's like moving to the song. Yes, something about Maca or something. Girl, we need Haley Love. Where is Haley Love? Rojang, I don't know. Shalom, 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 shalom. That was cute. Well, there you go, everybody. That was Aram Shaida. Very interesting person. He sings like traditional music, I think. I don't know. He's like, you know, like modern, but he sings traditional. So I like it. It was very mysterious, very like home type of, like very Kurdish, very like Kurdish. And I think that's like when you feel the roots. Like I feel like that really like, I like it. I really like it because it's new for me. So I'm enjoying it. I don't know what he's saying, but girl, you know me, okay? Anyways, if you guys want more Kurdish music, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to do it as soon as I can, okay? Till the end, go and watch more of my Kurdish videos. They're on the screen now. Hit you with that